Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. Today I'm gonna be doing a fall look, and let's get started. So today I already did my eyebrows already, and so today we're gonna use this Juvlias Place, the Warrior palette, and this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna take this AOA Studio, I think it's a crease brush. So I'm gonna be taking this brown shade. I'm gonna get my mirror. Taking that shade. So I'll be trying to do like I'm gonna try to be doing like a fall look. So I already primed my eyelids, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this into the crease like this. Let's give it a little bit of color before we start. A little bit of color. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, take this docolor brush. It's like a packing brush, and I'm gonna just take this like dark, like black shade, I guess. So I'm gonna take that shade, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pack it on a little bit right here. Just gonna pack it on a little bit. Looks a little bit messed up right now, but I'm gonna fix it. Just gonna try to put it on the outer part and a little bit like that. Okay, do this eye. I'm just gonna pack it.
I'm gonna try to upload more videos. So now I'm gonna take
that crease brush that we used, and I'm gonna blend this. I forgot to tell y'all, I'm gonna be going in with that first color that we used to blend it all out.
this one out. It's gonna be kind of like a fall look. So it's the first day of fall.
Okay, so now what I'm gonna do now is going to go in with, I think it's this one. Take this one's like another flat brush, and I'm gonna go in with this Violet Voss Essentials palette. Take like this burnt orange shade right here. Let's see if I can take it. I'm gonna try to put it like right here. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with that blending brush. Just
I'm gonna wing it out a little bit. Okay. Now, just gonna blend it a little bit. Let's see. Okay.
okay. Now what I'm gonna do is where is the brush? Okay, I'm gonna take this concealer brush so I can cut the crease. So what I like to do when I cut my crease is take this Tart concealer in the shade light medium. I'm just gonna put a little bit on this brush. So what I like to do is go in like this. Go like this. That's gonna give me direction where I need to go. Now I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, now I'm gonna take this Luxie flat brush, and now I'm gonna take this. Let me see what color should I do. I think I'm gonna do a mix of this one and this one. I'm gonna do a mix of this one and this one. Take my setting spray. What I'm gonna do is just spray it. And I'm gonna just pack it on there. So now I'm gonna do the other eye the same. Not done yet. So now what I'm gonna do is take this angled brush and I'm gonna just fix the harsh line. That's where the eye looks, but I'm not done. I still have to do the bottom. So right now I'm gonna do the rest of my face makeup, foundation, and that off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my eyelashes. So now what I'm gonna do is let these dry, and I'm gonna get my eyeliner. Okay, I'm gonna take this eyeliner, it's long eyeliner. I think it's Hollywood and Vine. That's what it's called. Okay, so I did my lipstick off camera. I used this Line and Load by NYX. Yeah, by NYX. It's in the shade Feeling Fine. So this is the final look. I really like how it came out, and so I hope y'all like this video, and if y'all did, leave a like and subscribe and turn on y'all post notifications so you get notified every time I upload. Bye.